Good morning, Primary 5. Welcome back to Math Session with me, Miss Tere. Please get yourself ready by reading the next lesson, which is in Chapter 3, which is the addition and subtraction. I believe that all of you can master it because we have discovered this in Primary 4. And now in Primary 5, what we're going to do is just to recall and reshape about it, okay? So please look at your textbook, page 60. Well, you will have this one. Ellie had 2 1/5 cakes. Frida had 1.5 cakes. How many cakes did they have all together? Of course, and all together, we're going to do addition, right? So this one. And yes, it has been discovered long time ago in Primary 4. We're just going to recall it, okay? So first, we're going to add the whole number first. So in this one, in this fraction, and this mixed numbers, which one is the whole numbers? 2 and 1. So add it. 2 plus 1 equals 3. After that, add the fractions. So what is a fraction? 1/5 plus 1/2. That's it. So because we have the denominator is different, we're going to make it same. 5 and 2. What is that? So 10 and 10, right? 10 divided by 5 equals 2, and then 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So 2 per 10 plus 5 per 10 equals 7 per 10. After that, is it done? No. But we're going to combine it together. So what we're going to combine? This whole number and this fraction. 7%. But if your way is just, when you have this mixed number and your way is you make it into improper fraction, after that you add this improper fraction and improper fraction, that is acceptable, okay? Look at your very good chapter 3, practice 2, number 1a. We're going to discuss it together. Add and express your answers as mixed number in their simplest form. So you're going to have this one, 3 5/8 plus 2/4. Steps. First of all, add the whole numbers. So which one is the whole numbers? 3 and 2 equals 5. After that, add the fractions. What is the fractions? 5/8 plus 1/4. Once again, look at the denominators. These denominators are unlike. These fractions called unlike fraction, okay? So because the denominator is different, we're going to make it the same by doing what? What is the same denominator that we can use together? 8. Why 8? Because 4 can be 8. That's it. And because it is 8, 8 divided by 8 equals 1, and then 1 times 5 equals 5. And this one, 8, once again divided by 4, and then 2 times 1, 2. So after that, once the denominator is same, we just add it together. Equals 7/8. Is it done? No chance, of course. We're going to combine it together. So 5 and 7/8. That's the solution. Now 1b. So please, do it by yourself, A, B, and C. After that, if you are done, you may check your answers in this video, okay? Just do not copy the solution without thinking about it. Try first. So we have 1 2/3 plus 2 3/4. Steps 1, add a whole number. 1 plus 2 equals 3, and then add the fractions. Okay, I believe that this way is kind of shorter and more comfortable than the way when you make this mixed number into proper fractions, because it is somehow shorter, right? So 2/3 plus 3/4, what is the same denominator we can use? 12. So 12 divided by 3, 4 times 2, 8. 12 divided by 4, 3 times 3, 9. So 8 plus 9, once the denominator is same, just go on the way. 17/12. But, is that the same as forms? No. Yes, you can say that this is improper fraction because the denominator is smaller than the numerator. So what can we do? Make it into mixed numbers. How many 12 in this 17? How many 12 in the 17? 1. Right? So 1, 5, and the remaining is 5 because 17 minus 12 is 5. So we will have 1, 5 per 12. And then combine it as 3 plus 1, 4, 5 per 12. That's how we get this 4. Give you like 10 seconds to do it. I will count it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's all. First step, add the whole numbers. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. After that, add the fractions. 2 per 5 plus 1 per 2. For this the same denominator, we can use 10. 10 divided by 5, 2 times 2, 4. 10 divided by 2, 5 times 1, 5. So 4 per 10 plus 5 per 10 equals 9 per 10. After that, combine it together. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now subtraction of mixed number. Melissa had 2 3 per 4 pizzas. She gave away 1 per 8 pizza. How many pizza did Melissa have left? Okay. So at first Melissa has this 2 3 per 4, and now we're going to minus it because Melissa gave it away. And now first of all, the steps is subtract whole numbers. Can you see the whole numbers? Yes, 2 minus 1 equals 1. And then subtract the fraction. 3 per 4 minus 1 per 8. That's it, that's it, that's it. And then combine it together. Okay? So this one is what we can call as, because it is enough. But how if it's not enough? Okay? Like this one. Subtract 1 3 per 8 from 3 1 per 3. That's it. First of all, subtract whole numbers. Now, we gotta pay attention. This is the case of not having enough. That's it. Subtract whole numbers. Before, what we have is 3 minus 1 only. But here, I want to make it into this minus this whole number. So 3, 1 per 3 minus 1. So from now on, whenever you want to subtract mixed numbers, you gotta do like this because it is better and shorter and more convenient, and your answer will, somehow get close to 100%. That's it. So 3, 1 per 3 minus 1, of course 2 minus 3. After that, this one, because we have mixed number and this will be only fraction, make it into fraction. So 7 per 3 minus 3 per 8 equals, that's it. So 24 divided by 3, 8 times 7, 56. This one, 3 times 3, and 9 equals, that's it. Okay? So the answer will be 123 per 24. As you can see here, I do not put the combine it together because this is the answer. We're not going to combine this and this because this already here. Okay? That's all. Go to your work with chapter 3, practice to number 2a. This one is equation. That's it. Subtract the whole numbers at first. Once again, it is not 3 minus 1, but okay, so this one. This is the case of when you are having enough. Okay, so 3 minus 1, 2, 2 per 3 minus 5 per 12, 8 per 12 minus 5 per 12 equals 3 per 12. Combine it together, then you will have 2, 1 per 4. Why? Because it is divided by 3 and this 12 divided by 3. Have any question regarding to that? You may ask me you may leave your questions in the comment section, or you may ask me through Edmodo, okay? Now this one, the 2b, 3 per 10 minus 1, 4 per 5. First of all, we're going to subtract the whole numbers. This is what I tell. 3% minus 1 minus this whole numbers equals to 3%. After that, make it into fractions. Okay. Mr. How do you get this mixed number into fractions? Oh, please, come on. If you are confused, you may go open up your primary 4 books and then you will find a way there. Subtract the fraction 23 per 10 minus 4 per 5. What is the denominator that we can use? 10. So 23 and then 10 divided by 5 equals 2 times 4 equals 8. 23 minus 8 equals 15. That's it. Okay, so the answer will be 1 per 12. Combine it together. This one's not. Oopsie, that's it. First of all, subtract the whole numbers. 5 per 9 minus 3, 1, 5 per 9. Make it into, that's it, fraction. 14 per 9 minus half. So what is the same denominator? 18. 18 divided by 9 equals 2 times 14, 28. 18 divided by 2 equals 9 times 1, 9. 28 minus 9 equals 19 per 18. So what is that? 1 per 18. The answer is 1 per 18. So that's all for today, primary 5. I believe that most of you can get it all correct, maybe can understand about it because it has been discovered in your grade 4. And now please practice your skill by doing work with chapter 3. Practice to number 1, F, G, and H. 2, F, G, and H will be discussed on Zoom meeting 10 August, means that next week. That's all for today. We have learned about addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. Don't forget to study harder, and if you have any question, please leave the question in the comment section, or you may ask me through Edmodo DM. Thank you.